Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to prep for NCLEX. Preparing for the NCLEX requires a strategic approach and consistent effort. We will cover key steps to help you feel confident and ready for exam day. First, it's crucial to familiarize yourself with the exam structure, including the number of questions and question types. Next, developing a personalized study plan is essential to ensure comprehensive coverage of all subject matter. Let's dive into effective strategies to maximize your preparation. Effective study strategies are vital for mastering the vast amount of information. Begin by reviewing fundamental nursing concepts, prioritizing areas like pharmacology, medical surgical, and maternal child health. Active recall, such as flashcards or self-quizzing, significantly improves memory. Spaced repetition, reviewing material at increasing intervals, also enhances long-term retention. Consider joining a study group. Explaining concepts to others solidifies your own understanding and provides diverse perspectives. Engaging with practice questions is perhaps the most critical component of NCLEX preparation. Aim to complete several thousand questions from high-quality question banks. Do not just answer them. Meticulously review the rationales for every single question, whether correct or incorrect. This deep analysis helps you understand underlying principles. Additionally, take full-length practice exams under timed conditions. This builds stamina and helps manage your time effectively, simulating the actual test environment. As exam day approaches, focus on your well-being. Ensure you get at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night in the week before the test. Eat nutritious meals and stay hydrated. On the day of the exam, arrive at the testing center at least 30 minutes early to settle in and avoid rushing. During the test, read each question carefully, manage your time wisely, and trust in the extensive preparation you have completed. You are ready for this challenge.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.